Hello guys, welcome to the channel and welcome to night point of view drive of this lovely 2020 Audi Q3 Sportback. I have the key here and we will unlock the car and I will show you some details. So this is the, let's say, sportier version of the Q3. It is a bit lower, it is also a bit longer and overall much more aggressive in terms of design. So coupe style of the roof, lovely LED lights, and this particular model has the TDI, so the diesel engine with 150 horsepower. It is finished in this turbo blue color. What do you think about the spec? I think it would look even better if it had a night pack, so the black pack, which deletes all the chrome parts and they are then gloss black and probably some black wheels. That will be ideal spec for me. But tell me in your comments, what do you think about the spec, about this one, and how would you have yours? So let me open the car once again. Massive single frame grille, LED lights, and now we are ready to roll. So let's step inside and I will show you. Lovely ambient lights. We have the, since this is the S Line, we have a very nice illuminated door seals with the S badge. Then we have the digital cockpit in front of the driver and also the main screen over there. So let's start the car so that you see how does this look during the night. So pressing the start engine button and car goes to life. So we do have the digital cockpit, as I said, with different views. This car has the navigation, so you can configure what do you want to have here in front of you, which is always nice. I think this is the best layout, so navigation and the you know, rev counter and the speedometer. Now here we have the main screen, well known from Audi, other Audi models, so you control basically everything in here, such as the radio stations, media, and so on. You can of course pair your phone. Vehicle settings are here. Audi Drive select mode, so you can choose between different driving modes. That's of course optional thing when buying this car, and I would suggest you go for that one. And you also have some cool features such as the ambient lights, which you'll see shortly when we go for a drive. Now of course you can choose between different colors. For example, here you can see this is also illuminated, very nice little detail. And here we have them, here we have them, and also on this door. So tell me which light is best in your opinion. There are a lot of options here, so let's see. 30 options, 30 different colors, but I prefer this one, so the blue one, and we will drive with that one. So now that I've shown you, you know, some of the features here at the interior, I think it's time for a drive. Okay, now let's go for a drive. As I said, diesel engine with 150 horsepower.